In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gain more productivity with Call Tracker for Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right place in Zoho CRM, open the marketplace, and search for Call Tracker so you can streamline your calling workflow, reduce manual data entry, and capture outcomes more consistently. First, open Zoho CRM in your web browser and sign into your account. Give the page a moment to load fully so all menus and modules appear. If your organization uses multiple environments or you have different profiles, make sure you're in the correct one for managing extensions. A quick tip here, keep Zoho CRM pinned in your browser for easy access throughout the day. If you rely heavily on calls, you'll likely spend time in the leads, contacts, and deals modules, so it helps to familiarize yourself with that layout before moving on. Next, go to the marketplace inside Zoho CRM. Depending on your interface, you can usually find it from the Setup or Tools area, often represented by a settings icon at the top, then look for Marketplace. If you have a left navigation panel, you might also see a direct Marketplace entry. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions from your administrator. The Marketplace is where you discover and manage extensions that plug directly into Zoho CRM, so it's the hub for adding tools that can automate tasks and speed up your day. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to look for Call Tracker. Type Call Tracker and press Enter. You'll see listings related to call tracking utilities that integrate with Zoho CRM. Open the Call Tracker listing to read the description, check compatibility with your CRM edition, and review screenshots or feature highlights. The key benefits you're looking for are automating manual data entry, enabling click-to-call directly from CRM records, and capturing call outcomes the moment a call ends. That combination is what cuts down on note-taking and helps your team keep accurate timelines on every lead and contact. Here are a few helpful pointers as you evaluate the listing. Confirm that it supports both inbound and outbound calls, and that it can auto-log call duration, direction, and notes to the right record. Look for options to map fields so outcomes and dispositions align with your existing pipeline stages. Check whether it supports your preferred telephony provider, and review pricing and permissions so it fits your organization's policies. That's it. You've opened Zoho CRM, navigated to the marketplace, and searched for Call Tracker. From here, you can evaluate the listing details and decide how it fits your workflow, giving your team the tools to click to call faster, log every interaction accurately, and maintain clean data with less effort.